Hi everybody, it's Cassie from Helpertech, and I was just going to talk to you about iPhone screen repair. Did you know we've got a location over in Eagan? So if it's more convenient for you, you can head over there. We do any kind of iPhones, we can repair the screens on them. We have a couple of different options for them actually, where I can either do it in an hour for a little bit cheaper, or I can do it in 15 minutes and get you in and out of the door real fast. All iPhone screen repairs do also come with $20 worth of store credit towards any accessories or products that we sell. So that includes any accessories on this back wall behind me. You can also put that towards a new phone. You can put that towards a new computer. $20 off any computer, any phone. That's a pretty good deal too. Otherwise, you don't need an appointment. You can just stop in. If you have any questions for them, you can give them a call. Phone number is 651-605-2570, and that's for my Eagan store if you want to get your iPhone screen repaired over there. Otherwise, you just stop in. They've got a lot of stuff for sale over there as well. And otherwise, you guys have a nice day.